What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Live from the Junkyard, man. You see what it is? It's today's thing. We're gonna leave the road today, but we're working on blazer spindles today. I'm tired. I've been a little tired. I'll update y'all when I'm done, though. Gotta do another one. I'll probably do the rear, too. All right. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. And I'm back. Just got back from pull apart. Just got back from pull apart. Working my 1-2. And like I stated before, I was getting blazer, spindles, brake calipers, and the bracket. Do the big brake upgrade. Shout out to Mr. Gdiy.Y, LS Chevy Rider 254. List goes on and on, man. But I had to run back and get a reference for that. But tell you something about this. Doing this, getting these big brakes. If you gonna get those, I'm gonna tell you, the MVP tool to get it off is this, boy. You need this. You need this. You hear me? This pickle fork, boy. This right here gonna get you up out of there. It's gonna get it off. You know what I'm saying? Make your life a whole much easier. You don't got that. I don't know how the hell you gonna get them off. I don't. But yeah, man. Like I said, we got this blazer brakes and spindles. Just went on and got these. Clean them up. Today I'm definitely gonna clean them up. See, it got a little rust. It was out in the rain, but we got them guys, man. I didn't get any rotors. No rotors, man. I didn't get the rotors because I'm gonna get new drill and slotted rotors. So we didn't get those. We don't need those. So this is us, man. We good. Clean those off. That's what we doing today, man. Probably clean them off, paint them. Something we doing today. So yeah. It's the Gdiy lifestyle, man. If y'all don't know what that is, that means you gotta do it yourself. Sometimes you gotta do it yourself. So that's what my build is. Most of the stuff on my build, on my car, I'm doing it myself. So let's go. Okay, so yeah. Welcome back, YouTube. Actually about to get ready to pressure wash this doggone these spindles and calipers and all that. So got my hose, got my little pressure washer, a little cheap pressure washer I got a couple years ago. We're gonna hook that up and we're gonna get to doing what we got to do. Got everything on some cardboard over here, you know, just something to do, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to mess up my concrete, so we over here gonna get it like that. But I'm cut y'all back on. Well, you know what? I'll probably do a time lapse for a little bit.
Go after my dream. They say life is what you make it. I know it won't come to me. Hey, if you could see just what I see. All my niggas out here hustling, ain't doing this for free. Working 9 to 5 or slanging, either way it won't be cheap. I'm just doing what I gotta do, nobody work for me. Who gon' do that dirt with me? Get mud on they shirt with me. When I was lost and got found, ain't nobody search for me. But we don't do this purposely, trying to break this curse for me. When it's my time to pass, who lay in that hearse but me?
Yeah, that pressure wash, the brake assembly, calipers. So we got, I'm gonna switch them to the next cardboard over here and I'm gonna let them dry. And I cut y'all off and I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I do that. All right, YouTube, we back at it. The spindles, man, and the hub assembly, calipers, all that over there, drying out. I actually have one right here, caliper. I'm gonna get ready to prep this right here, this caliper, blazer caliper. I got a brake pad from my Challenger. I'm gonna push the pistons back in, the 2 pistons back in. We're gonna prep it. Probably hit it with this right here, this wool pad to prep it. Then I'm gonna hit it with some of this. Let me hit it with some of this primer. Just something to put on there, some primer. These the calipers, remember that. And I'm gonna hit it with this VHT caliper paint, man. We're gonna go red, you know. That's what everybody do. Everybody wanna go red. Everybody go red. So that's what we doing. So yeah. And for the spindles, I'm gonna use this here. I'm gonna go with this Rust-Oleum, like undercoating. I also use this up under my car. You know what? Yeah, but it's gonna be spray. I'm gonna be spraying it through a paint gun, but this right here they're gonna get sprayed with this. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna cut y'all off, cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, YouTube, we back. I've been out here spraying a little bit for a little bit. It's taking a little time, let it dry and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you guys the finished product, and that's gonna be the end of this video because I gotta let these things sit out here and dry. I mess around and touch one on and it still won't dry yet, so it's gonna take a little minute. But I'm gonna show you guys how the blazer spindles, calipers, and the brackets all look. This is for G.D.I.Y upgrade if you want to upgrade the bigger brakes. I think it's 14-inch rotors. But here you go. That's how my spindles look. Like I said, I gotta let them dry. They're gonna be black. Calipers gonna be black too. Ooh. Yes sir. What the other caliper? My bad. This over here. That one. And boy, look at these. Them guys orange. They like a Chevy orange. I thought they were gonna be red, but the paint came out orange, and I said, well hell, I got a Chevy anyway, so we gonna go Chevy orange, red, whatever the hell you want to call it. Chevy orange gonna be the brakes, and we're gonna do the front and the back. So here, that's how they gonna look. But that's it. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe to the channel. I'm definitely gonna bring some more videos. I got a lot of videos coming up for the SS. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, man. And remember, you know, sometimes when those shops ain't hidden, they bagged up, you can't get in, you gotta do it yourself. It's Mr. G.D.I.Y, and I'm out. All right.